This week, I'm on holiday. How do the team cope? And can a business owner really switch off? Aaron takes over the filming, but does it push him too far? He also shows us what it's really like in the cleaning industry. Kyle reaches new, risky heights to show us an extractor system and how hatches should not be fitted. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow our channel for more episodes and more hints and tips on how to clean better, quicker, and safer. Please do share this episode with one person you think may just benefit from it. I'm Lee, this is Vapor Clean. Let's see behind the cleans. Monday the 24th of July, been on annual leave today. Still had to check in though to see how the first episode of Behind the Cleans was doing. Went live today at 7 PM. Looks great. I think Craig's done an absolutely smashing job. I think it's come together well. I know we've still got a lot to learn, so you know, give us some feedback, leave us some comments, let us know exactly what you want to see, what you don't want to see, what's boring you, what could be better, so we can improve each episode as it comes out. But it kind of makes me laugh how dedicated or how invested you all get with these things. Ultimately, this is all marketing to a degree. There's other reasons we do it, yes, but if anyone tells you that a business is doing these things for any other reason than marketing, it's bollocks, basically. So it is marketing, and we have a lot of time invested in it, a lot of energy invested in it. And yeah, YouTube and that type of thing is a long game. It's building a brand and everything else, so it takes a long time, but you still wait to see what it's doing and what it's achieving. So I've had to jump on today to see what the results are and how it's going. Half sensible traction to start with, but you know, not flying away like we would love to see it go. But yeah, let's see if we're keeping the momentum or growing the momentum as we go along.
So today I left Weston about 7 o'clock in the morning to get to Gloucester Docks to clean a new site, but to also to show one of our current cleaners the site to see whether they'd be interested in having any more hours. It's round the corner from an initial job, so she's more than happy to do that. We then went to exchange keys from another site with one of our previous cleaners, been to a office and spruced an office up and a meeting room, and that was Firmacore. I'm now on my way back to Weston, and then I've got to go out again a little bit later this evening to John Deere to cover a clean there, and then to go to Berkeley this evening to cover a clean there also.
So what time is it now?
We're currently 11:45.
So what time do you think you'll be back out?
I'll be back out about 3 o'clock.
And what time do you think you'll be finished tonight?
I will probably be home about 8.
Quite a heavy day today.
It's quite a heavy day, yeah, a bit of a split shift. The technician side, I believe Lee is doing a clean in a 19th century extractors system, so that will be fun. I think he's based in Bath today. So yeah, all in all, successful Monday.
Gonna have a great time lobbing the carpet machine up 1, 2, 3, 4 flights of stairs.
So this is just another one of the perks of my job. I get to sit here and enjoy the sun, catch a few rays and whatnot, go on my phone and everything. It's just a shame I'm stuck on the M5 to do it. Go on, turn the camera. So today on my journey, I have been to Gloucester Docks this morning, cleaned the brewery there, that's a new site, that's nice. John Deere to exchange keys with Martha.
Then you went to the place you just finished now. Franco.
Thermacore, yeah, they do groundworks and civil engineering. Stand under there. Today I'm working at King's Crusaders at Shaftesbury Park with wonderful weather. Then afterwards I have 2 places for people in Bristol, and then afterwards I have to drive to Wootton-under-Edge to do cold case surgeries, clean and cover sading. So today at Vapor Clean we're currently at the Dings cleaning their changing rooms. The technician side are doing an extractor clean on a Catholic primary school. We're focusing on bits such as corners of the flooring, getting the parts of the embedded dirts out.
Oh, I thought it's just nice. It must be on the wrong way round then. Oh my gosh.
11:50 PM, 26th of July, still on annual leave, but Craig has sent me over the newest version of episode 2 of Behind the Cleans. Need to have a look at it and give it the okay before it goes live. Craig is working really hard on this, and it's taking a little bit of time just to get the same pattern and make sure we're getting as much across as we possibly can to keep it interesting, yet informative and everything else. So just want to cast my eye across every episode. We're nearly there, but unfortunately it does need a few tweaks, so I've sent him back the feedback. He's gonna do those edits tomorrow, send it over to me, and I'll have a look at it again tomorrow night before it goes live. So yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Excuse me, no cold calling? Okay, so what's been happening today? The technicians had 3, turn that down. 3 extractor cleans today.
Alright, this is the fan at the Golden Grill, Clevedon, Old Church Road. Up above, maybe a story. Access to fan is not good. As you can see, it's got all the sponge and cutouts is pretty much still there. The hole itself is smaller than my hand. Vertical and width even smaller. Can just about get my arm in. Not very safe to try and stick both arms inside, as we are 1 foot on a ladder and 1 foot over there. Would prefer if the hatch was maybe to the right hand side of it.
Went to Better Kitchens this morning to meet Joz to show her the site. She's a new starter. She's going to be doing Meanwhile Spaces and Better Kitchens for us in Weston. I then took Ashley to the garage because her van was going in for 2 new brake pads, because they were doing some lovely loud squeaks the other day when we were on the motorway and whatnot. And then I done Trinity Gate with Sarah. Another support op. So that's a 4-hour clean there, up in Bridgewater. I then drove back home for a very rare break. And then came and picked Ashley up, and then we had to go meet a new cleaner in John Deere. So we had to drive up to Gloucester and meet Amy in John Deere. We wanted to check in on her, make sure she was comfortable with everything and she understood what she was doing. And then we drove to Berkeley in Dursley Way to cover a clean there, and then we drove to Wootton-under-Edge to do another surgery and clean another surgery. So I'm just leaving now, and it's currently 8:30, so we'll probably get in about 9:15, 9:20 tonight, and then I got to be out again tomorrow morning, I think 7 in the morning, but that's in Weston. So today's been this week's a hard week. However, next week's looking quiet, so I'm having more time to do more appraisals with my site staff and to organise their stock, because crikey, that's a job and a half. Job done.
That's it from this week. All I know is it's a shorter episode. I'm sorry it is shorter, but the team did their best. I'll keep training them to get more filming done. Come back next week and find out exactly how I feel about how they got on, how we deal with some of the challenges they face. We meet our new office and technician manager, and we go back and complete some of the cleans that we've quoted for in last week's episode and previous to that. Please do click and watch some of our other videos, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks very much.